Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Forest. My name is Bhavesh and today we will see what are the basic settings and you can say that what are the prerequisite which need to be done before starting mining on any mining rig or any computer. So let me take remote access of my one of mining computer. I can't say it as a rig because only one graphics card is installed in this machine. So we will cover these 6 points and I believe all 6 points are important if you are starting a mining. If you not do these setting, you may face continuous issue in your machine and you'll not get a maximum hash rate. As you can see, my Ethereum mining is going on in this machine and I have one card only. It's a 3060 and I'm getting around 49 mh speed. Right now you can see 47 mh speed because this screen recording and all is going on. If I turn on all this unrequired software, then I'll get around 49 to 50. So let's come to the point. Firstly, we will see Windows fine-tune settings. As you know, once we install the Windows, it come with lots of by default features like Cortana, Windows Update, and inbuilt antivirus defender. And we don't require this. Many games are pre-installed in the Windows 10 and we don't require in a mining rig, and these kind of unnecessary software always consume hardware performance of your computer, and because of this we cannot achieve the highest speed while we are mining a cryptocurrency. So let's see one by one how we can perform these required setting. First one is Windows fine tune. If we do these all settings manually one by one, it will take lots of time. So I have created one batch file. Let me just open this in a notepad so that we can read what kind of settings are pre-mentioned in this. If you want to read it completely, so you have an option, you can just simply right click and open it on a notepad and you can read what exactly we are doing. This is basically a registry editing, like we are replacing a utilman, we are disabling the quick access feature, we are disabling the location, we will disable Cortana, we will disable Windows Update. Many settings are mentioned in this batch file so that we can fine tune over Windows 10 to get maximum hash rate. So you only need to right click this batch file and run as an administrator. On the description of this video, you will get a link where you can download this small batch file. So it will show you like this and it's saying apply registry tweak. Just simply press Y as a yes and press enter. Now it's saying replace utilment with CMD. Yes. Disable quick access. Yes. Show computer shortcut. Yes. You can choose settings if you want to enable. If you don't require this, you can simply type no and press enter. Show file extension. Yes. Disable lock screen. Yes. Enable classic control. Yes. And it will go on. Disable Windows Update. Yes. Remove pin to start. Yes. Classic vertical icon spacing. Yes. Keep pressing yes because all the settings which is mentioned I need in my mining rig. You can take your time to read all these things, but I'm familiar with it, so I'm just keep pressing Y. Saying apply registry tweak. Yes. Disable tracking services. Yes. Web push. Yes. Windows search. Yes. Disable superfetch. Yes. Disable Windows Defender. Yes. Removing schedule task. Yes. Windows default app. Yes. Now it's applying. Let it be complete. Then again it will ask for the few settings. Disable OneDrive, yes, yes, finish. Okay, this is done. So once we'll reboot our machine, it will apply properly. So second setting is virtual memory. If we are starting a mining rig, so we must increase our virtual memory. So let's see how we can do this. Search for the my computer, means this PC. Go to the properties. I already increased the virtual memory because I'm already mining Ethereum on it. So I'm just showing you how you can do this on your computer. Go to the advanced, go to the settings. Here you can see uh, one of the option to adjust to get a better performance. This is already selected. Go to the advanced, click on change. I have entered a customized size 10 GB to 15 GB as my virtual machine. Then click on set, click on OK, then again OK. Once you will uncheck this automatic option, after that only you will able to enter your manual settings. Then apply all the settings and click on OK, apply and OK. My settings are already saved, so I'm not making any changes right now. Our third setting is update graphics driver. Make sure you have a latest graphics driver installed in your machine. And if you want to check whether it is updated or not, you simply go to the NVIDIA official site, nvidia.com, and click on this driver option. Then go to the driver and select this GeForce driver. Here you have an option to download this automatic driver update. Once you will download and install it, it will search installed hardware in your machine and it will allow you to update your graphics driver. Install it like a normal software. No expertise is required for the installation. Just keep pressing next, 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 finish. After completing the installation, it will ask you to sign up, create your account. If you don't have, sign up, and then it will allow you to update your hardware to get your latest driver. After that, next settings and next update is required for a CUDA driver. Make sure you have a updated CUDA driver. It is mandatory to install if you want to mine a cryptocurrency. To get a CUDA driver, just search on a Google Chrome CUDA driver download. On a very first link, you will get a download link, and here you can see the URL developer.nvidia.com. Open this. As on date, once I'm creating a video, CUDA Toolkit 11.3 is available right now. Might be you will get a latest once you will install it. Here you have option to select your operating system. Like my operating system is Windows. Now it's saying for a Windows we have to select the version for a Windows 10 or Server 16 or 19. I have Windows 10. Now it's saying, do you want a complete exe file or do you need for a network installation? If you download this exe file, it will completely download 2 to 3 GB CUDA driver setup. I recommend you to download this exe file because if you have more than one computer, your mining rig, so you don't need to require download again and again. So download this, and here you have option. Its size is 2.7 GB. Download this and install it like a normal software. Again, no expertise is required for the installation. It's very easy like a normal software. Let me cancel this first because I already having a latest CUDA driver. No need to do it again. Let's jump to the next point, antivirus. See, if you use any miner, your antivirus will detect it as a virus because it's consume almost all resources of your computer. So your antivirus treat it like a unusual behavior, so it's blocked. So in your mining rig, it's not recommended to install any antivirus. But the important thing is Windows 10 having its own Windows Defender, a default antivirus. By using over this registry tweak, this batch file, we already disabled the antivirus, but it is recommended to create a exclusion list. Let me show you how you can do this. Go to the start and search for antivirus. It will show you virus and threat protection. Click on the shield icon, scroll down and find this manage setting. Once you will restart your machine, it will automatically turn on this real-time protection, and generally it also block your miner. I'm disabling it right now, but once my computer will reboot, it automatically turn on. So the best thing is scroll down and find this exclusion option. Click on add and click on add this exclusion. Select file or folder, whatever you want, and create any folder where you will save your miner, so that this Windows Defender will not check and block this folder, and it will not get blocked by antivirus. Now the last setting is startup setting. Startup setting means once you will start your computer, you no need to start your miner again and again. Generally, what people do is after restarting the mining rig, they take a remote session of their mining rig and start the miner manually. It's take time. And another benefit is if you check your BIOS, system BIOS, you have an option to turn on computer once the power goes down. Suppose in the midnight your computer is turning off due to some power fluctuation or power cut up because of any reason. If your computer goes down, so you have an option in a BIOS. You can set BIOS setting. Once the power come, your computer will automatically turn on. And if this setting is enabled from your BIOS, and suppose if this startup setting is also enabled, so you no need to worry about your mining rig. Once the power come, or once your computer will start, automatically this mining will turn on automatically. So let's see how we can do this. Open run and type shell colon startup, again shell colon startup, and press OK. Here you can see that my remote taking application AnyDesk and TeamViewer is already there, and my Ethereum mining shortcut is already there. So once my computer turn on, it's automatically turn on these three software: two remote taking software, third one is my mining script. So it's very easy. Suppose anything you have in your desktop, like I'm creating one text document and right click this notepad and create a shortcut. Cut shortcut from here and paste this on a shell colon startup folder. Now, once this computer will start, all these four application or this text file will open automatically. So it will give peace in our mind. We no need to start our miner again and again. So guys, these are the settings which we can perform in our computer to get maximum hash rate. If you have any question in your mind, in a description, I'm attaching a link of my Telegram. You can coordinate with me if you have any suggestion. So you can add your comment. And if you are liking my work and effort, and if you also having an interest on mining or mining related contents, so please subscribe this channel and like this video. See you in a next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.